Yeah, I have 8 cups of water in here. That's 2 quarts, 2 liters. Doesn't have to be exact. I'm gonna add some celery with the leaves, half an onion, a piece of carrot, about 6 garlic cloves which are peeled and smashed. I'm adding 2 bay leaves, peppercorns, some thyme. I have a little packet of dried shiitake mushrooms. It's a good idea to put dried mushrooms into this broth. It'll make the flavor deeper. But if you don't have any, don't stress. Just use, you know, fresh mushrooms, okay? I'm just gonna do the whole thing. I have 4 ounces of sliced baby bellas here. And I'm gonna add 5 ounces of fresh shiitake. I'm gonna salt. We're going to bring this pot to a boil, and we're gonna let these mushrooms simmer for an hour on really low heat, okay? Then we'll come back to them. We want a really concentrated broth, guys. This is done. So I'm gonna strain this, guys, and then I'm gonna pick through the vegetables and keep all the mushrooms. I'm not throwing them out. I'm gonna use them probably to make mushroom burgers, but you can use them for many things. You can stir fry them. You can chop them up real fine and make a pie. Just don't throw them out. They're fine, okay? So here's our mushroom broth, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that color. You have to consume this within 4 or 5 days, right? Otherwise, freeze it, and you can even portion it and freeze it. You can use this as a base to make vegetable soups. You can use it to cook rice, or you can use it just to have a nice warm cup of mushroom broth, and it's just gonna soothe your soul. If you freeze this, freeze it up to 2 months. Oh my gosh. That is so wonderful. It tastes so good. It's so mellow and so smooth. Thanks for watching the video. I'm gonna see you soon.